Nestled between the Rappahannock and Mattaponi rivers lies an outdoor enthusiast stream, a hunter's paradise, a personal preserve you can leave pristine or develop into your own slice of heaven. Welcome to Milby Farm, 290 acres of recreational land teeming with deer, turkey, quail, waterfowl, and possibilities. Here, you'll find fields and forests for you to enjoy, along with abundant wetlands. Altogether, Milby Farm offers 140 acres of woodland, plus 40 acres of fields, 70 acres of mature pine forest, and 40 acres of hardwoods. 2 beautifully built barns offer lots of storage for farm equipment and recreational gear, and miles of internal roads and a septic system and well already in place provide exciting opportunities for future use. Best of all, Milby Farm is ready for you to enjoy right now. The fields have been managed for quail every year. Just think of the good times ahead with your friends and family. All this is waiting for you just 15 minutes from West Point and the Middle Peninsula Regional Airport. Less than 10 miles away is the Piankatank River, with the Mattaponi, Pamunkey, and York rivers and their abundant waterfowl all nearby. Discover Milby Farm for yourself and imagine the possibilities.